and my dear brothers and sisters. I'm Master Jyoti Chimyang, a student of class 9, Ramakrishna Mission School, Narottam Nagar, going to present before you a district level science seminar on the topic Artificial Intelligence, its potentials and concerns. So please bear with the monologue. What is artificial intelligence? Its scope, history and evolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processed by machine, especially computer systems. Subfields include machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. The concept of AI dates back to early philosophers, but the modern AI began in the 1950s by Sir John McCarthy. Milestones include Turing test, Dartmouth conference, and the development of expert system in the 1980s. AI has rapidly evolved and is now integrated into various industries from healthcare to finance, and even in our daily lives through smart devices. However, with this rapid growth comes a range of challenges and opportunities that we must address. Today's presentation will delve into the types of AI, its future trends and challenges, the disadvantages and concerns surrounding AI, the advantages and potential of AI, and the countermeasures it requires to ensure responsible development and usage. Understanding AI's impact is vital as it continues to shape our world in an unprecedented way. So let's begin with the types of AI. Mainly, there are three types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. Narrow AI specialized in a single task like voice assistance and recommendation systems. General AI, hypothetical AI that possesses the ability to perform any intellectual task a human can do. Superintelligent AI, a level of intelligence surpassing the smartest humans, and also hypothetical. Future trends of AI, making AI's decision transparent and understandable, integrating AI with Internet of Things for smarter environment, and potentially revolutionizing AI with unprecedented processing power. But these future trends comes with the challenges like the need for large high-quality dataset for training AI, the resource requirements for complex AI models, and safeguarding AI systems from malicious attacks. Over-reliance on technology can lead to a loss of critical thinking and human judgment, making us vulnerable to technology failures. AI systems, especially deep learning models, can be complex and difficult to understand, making it challenging to interpret their decisions and ensuring accountability. This can lead to the disadvantages of AI. AI is also associated with many concerns, like AI can perpetuate and amplify the biases present in the training data. This can lead to unfair outcomes in zones like hiring, lending, law enforcement, and military. As AI becomes more autonomous, there is a potential about the loss of human oversight and control, especially in decision-making process. Privacy is another concern as AI systems require vast amount of data analysis to function effectively, rising concerns about data security and privacy. AI systems are becoming more capable and many jobs related with routine tasks are at risk of being automated, potentially leading to significant unemployment and economic disparity. Besides having numerous disadvantages and concerns, AI has its own potentials and advantages. Like AI is driving innovation in fields like autonomous vehicles and smart cities, leading to new products and services. AI can create tools and applications that improve accessibility for individuals and individuals with disabilities, such as voice recognition, text-to-speech system, AI news anchor, AI teacher, fraud detection, algorithmic trading, video editing, and screenplay writing. AI has immense potential across various domains. Like AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling early disease detection and providing personalized treatment plans that improve diagnostic accuracy. Additionally, AI is aiding in drug discovery and robotic surgery, further enhancing healthcare delivery. AI is also transforming education sector by providing personalized learning experience and offering real-time feedbacks to students, making education more accessible and effective. AI can optimize energy use in a building, monitor environmental changes through satellite imagery, and can aid in the management of the natural resources, contributing to the sustainability efforts. AI is at the forefront of developing autonomous systems like self-driving cars, drones, and robotic assistants, which have the potential to transform industries and our daily lives. The unchecked rise of AI may imperil to our very way of life, and that's why it needs to be controlled by establishing guidelines and frameworks to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically. Governments and international bodies should create regulations to oversee AI development, developing and implementing of techniques to identify and mitigate biases in AI systems for ensuring more equitable outcomes. Programmers should focus on creating AI systems that augment human capabilities rather than replacing them, promoting collaboration between humans and AI for better results. And in conclusion, as we stand on the cusp of an AI-driven future, it's imperative that we harness its immense potential while actively addressing the social, ethical, and technological challenges it presents. And by fostering transparent governance, responsible development, and human-centric innovation, we can ensure that AI serves as a powerful tool for progress, benefiting our society as a whole while safeguarding our fundamental values. Lastly, a man can make a machine, but a machine cannot make a man. So, we should use AI wisely and judiciously. Thank you, judges.